What's up guys, it's me Fecal here. This is my 1987 Mark III Toyota Supra. So my pops has given me some pretty vital information and I think we're racing tonight. So this thing needs a few things, but she should be good to go soon.
All right guys, Caden's not wrong. Car needs more than a few things for sure.
You could push this across the finish line or tow it.
One thing we need for racing though is boost control. We don't have that. We're just running on the wastegate right now. I don't have time to order a boost controller and be here today. It's already late afternoon. So I stopped by the hardware store after work, grabbed a few things and tried to build a boost controller. Little ball bearing, a spring, and a bolt, but I cracked one of these fittings while I was tapping this.
Today, Junior?
So it's not gonna work. We're still gonna head down there. We're just not gonna be able to keep up with the fast cars, I don't think.
Missed third gear.
Run it again.
Yeah, we know. The fucking 100 million miles an hour torque. That's not good though.
Might be a little hot.
Maybe.
Bro, is that Dirty Curty Customs?
What up?
What's up, buddy? I'm back.
Something just happened to this.
Oh shit.
I'm breaking the fuck up.
Dude, that's a decent sized turbo for a little. Oh, you smacked a Tesla?
No, you beat me.
Oh.
We got straight out torqued 100 million miles an hour, bro.
Damn.
What up, bro? It's been a minute. Right? Oh.
No, I'm not betting.
You literally said
I'll bet you.
Hunt off right here.
I thought you were riding my car. Yeah, but I didn't get on it. But I did.
Well, the Supra is broke. It's missing a cylinder. We pulled the cover off. All the plug wires look good. We don't have any tools to pull it off, which sucks. We lost to a Tesla and now we can't even race Brian. So I guess we're just going to watch now. Well, now Brian's having some issues with his distributor. The car just died, wasn't running right. Now they're going to get a distributor, try to fix it.
Honda, BMW. Yes, him gay.
If it ain't G, it belongs in the C.
Sounds the shit.
It's gay.
And my wagon runs, but I still need to exhaust and charge piping.
All right, well.
All right, Brian got his car running. Let's see what it does. All right, guys, it's the next day, and the Supra was missing pretty bad last night, so I'm going to start it up one more time before we pull these plugs. All right, well, it's hard to tell while it's cold, I guess. And I'm thinking it might just be a spark plug. So Caden's gonna pull the spark plugs. I have some errands to go around. He's gonna report back to me what he finds. Keep them all in order, Caden.
Got you.
All right.
So each of the plugs are pulled, and they all look fine. Fuel mixture is good. Yeah, they all look perfectly fine to me. All right, we're gonna run a compression test. Let's hit it.
Good. 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 Okay. We got like 70. Well, guys, that's not good. We figured out why we had a misfire. It's all right. We got more teardown to do. We were hoping to do more work putting this car together. We're going to be taking it apart now. And you'll see that coming up on Dirty Curty Customs.